Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I want some apples.
Sure. How many apples do you want?
I want 6 apples.
Here you are. Anything else?
Yes, I need milk.
One bottle or two?
One bottle, please.
Okay. Do you need bread?
Yes, one loaf of bread.
Fine. Is that all?
Yes, that's all. How much is it?
It's $10.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.